Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we will explore Tesla in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 7th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 3rd of April, 2025, our system has identified Tesla as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.87. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a decline of 12.72%. This equates to an average daily loss of 4.24% since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decline within this trend is expected. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential negative change of approximately 44.58% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -63.6% to -38.92%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 61.58%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 61.58% and 274.6% over the next year. In current terms, this would translate to a future price range of approximately $376.94 to $873.92. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, "Volatile ride for Tesla stock price on Monday, moving between $214.25 and $252. The Tesla stock price fell by 2.56% on the last day, which was Monday, the 7th of April, 2025, dropping from $239.43 to $233.29. It has now declined for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 17.62%, ranging from a low of $214.25 to a high of $252. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in a total decline of 16.2% over this period. Volume increased on the last day by 225,000 shares, although this occurred during falling prices, which may serve as an early warning that the risk could slightly increase over the next few days. In total, 179 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $41.87 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $488.54, while the lowest price was $138.80. Currently, the price is 52.25%, or $255.25, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Tesla is currently navigating a complex landscape that presents both immediate challenges and potential long-term benefits. The company's global gigafactory network offers some protection against tariff impacts. However, tensions surrounding Taiwan could severely disrupt Tesla's chip supply, potentially leading to a significant revenue drop of approximately 25%. Recently, Tesla stock fell by 9.2% to $217.41 amid broader market declines, exacerbated by a 40% price target cut from Wedbush analyst Daniel Ives. This adjustment reflects concerns over trade policies and a brand crisis linked to CEO Elon Musk's controversial decisions, along with disappointing first-quarter vehicle delivery numbers. Despite these headwinds, Tesla's supercharger network is rapidly expanding, which could enhance its long-term valuation. With over 65,000 charging stalls and increasing adoption of the North American charging standard, Tesla is solidifying its infrastructure advantage in the electric vehicle market. However, investors should remain cautious as market sentiment remains volatile, primarily driven by geopolitical tensions and regulatory challenges. The fluctuations in Tesla's stock may also reflect the broader uncertainty in the tech sector, raising caution for short-term investors while presenting potential opportunities for long-term growth as Tesla continues to advance its artificial intelligence and robotics initiatives. In essence, while short-term price challenges are evident, Tesla's strategic positioning could enable it to emerge stronger in the evolving electric vehicle landscape. Analyst ratings include recent assessments from various financial institutions. On Wednesday, the 2nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Tesla a rating of overweight with a recommendation to hold. On Wednesday, the 19th of March, 2025, UBS rated Tesla as reduce with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 18th of March, 2025, Oppenheimer gave Tesla a mixed rating with a hold suggestion. On Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, GLJ Research rated Tesla as a buy with a recommendation to hold. On Friday, the 7th of March, 2025, Wedbush gave Tesla an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as buy. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. Additionally, there's a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, often referred to as MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact the near-term developments. The Tesla stock presents sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic outlook. Moreover, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the long-term average exceeding the short-term average. On upward corrections, resistance is anticipated at the levels of $259.13 and $273.40. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, March 25, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 19.04%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that closer attention should be paid to the stock. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal received 10 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal received 40 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal received 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal received 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 51 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the following. Short moving average, sell signal received 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal received 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 27 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. Tesla finds support from accumulated volume at 230.58. And this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 37.75 between its high and low, representing a change of 17.62%. For the past week, the stock's daily average volatility has been 10.86%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for tech companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 22nd of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 50 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at 239.43. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla faces its first support level at 230.58. If this support level holds, it could represent a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by James R. Murdoch, who bought and sold 1,118,350 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 19.059. In total, insiders purchased 883,105 shares and sold 1,328,597 shares in the last 100 trades. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Tesla currently shows several negative signals and is situated within a very wide and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Our analysis has been updated from a strong sell rating to a sell candidate. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 8th of April, we expect Tesla to open lower by approximately 11 cents, starting at $233.18. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.